Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this quick video I'll show you guys how you can block YouTube channels. Basically there isn't a proper option that you can just directly block a YouTube channel on YouTube, but there are some features or some functions that you can use in order to block somehow those kind of channels that you don't like to show on your page on YouTube, or you don't want to see anymore their videos. So for example, I don't want to see this kind of video on my YouTube, and for that what we do, we just go over these three dots here, and over here it will pop up those options. One of them is not interested, and once you click over there, then you will not see any more content like this one that you are seeing right now. So by clicking not interested, you will not see this video specifically and this kind of video. Then the next option is, again, by clicking over these three dots, then you have this possibility, don't recommend this channel. By doing this, YouTube will minimize or will not at all recommend this channel for you, so you will not see these videos on your YouTube application or on YouTube web browsing. So we click over there and YouTube will not recommend videos from this channel to you again. And always you can undo this. This is just for purpose of the video, so I don't have any problem with this channel actually, but just to show you how it works. And then if you don't want, for example, this channel to comment or to post something on your channel, then you go over his channel and then you click over more, and then at the end you will see this option report user, and then you click over hide user from my channel. By doing this, you will hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel, so this user can never comment anymore on my channel. So you just click over submit and then this will be applied. Basically those are the only options that you can do in order to block a channel on YouTube. That's all for now. Hopefully YouTube will release an option which you can just go over there and block it, like you do it, let's say on Facebook or somewhere else, where you can just easily block a user and then he can never see you or he can never comment or whatsoever. That's all that I want to share with you guys today. I hope you like this video and please consider subscribing to our channel. All the best. Thank you.